Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying some new makeup stuff, and most of it is going to be from the new collection of PUR and Barbie, of course. And I have my Barbie shirt for this video, you guys know. So I picked up a couple of things and I'm going to be trying them all on here on this video. It's so pretty, guys. I love it. So beautiful and sparkly. I didn't pick up every single thing, but I picked up most things, I think. So let me just show you guys. So I believe that when I picked up these things, because this was a couple of weeks ago, it wasn't like now, I think that there were some things that were out of stock when I picked them up. Because I see here that there's an eyeshadow palette, but I didn't pick that up. Anyhow, so I picked up their brush set, which I don't know why I don't see on here. I'm trying to look for the price. This is the Brush and Sparkle Signature 5-piece cruelty-free brush set. And that's how the packaging looks. This is so pretty. So this has a powder brush, a cheek brush, a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, an eyeshadow packer brush, an angled liner brush. So they're all cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly. And yeah, so I'm gonna open this up, take off this little, I don't even want to take off like the paper on this thing because it's all so pretty, but I obviously have to. All right, so this is how it comes. This is so gorgeous, guys. I love anything with my name on it, so imagine how obsessed I was with this. So this is how it looks. Do you guys remember those Sigma brush sets that used to come like this? And then these are the brushes. This is so pretty and like Barbie-ish and chic. So these are the brushes, and you can see that they're like a kind of like hot pink type little barrel with a little bow. So cute. All right, guys, so those are the brushes. So I didn't pick up the eyeshadow palette, but I did pick up the blush palette. And this is called Malibu Blush. So I think I'm going to use some of these colors for eyeshadow because I didn't pick up the eyeshadow palette. Wow, look how pretty this packaging is. I just love it. Sparkly. Then you have a little mirror. And you have your colors right there. And let me kind of close up on the colors. So I'm going to put some of these in my... I'm going to use them as eyeshadow since I don't have the eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $32. So I think I'm just going to go with maybe this color right here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but it just looks kind of like a burnt, like a neutral color. I don't know. The brushes feel nice and sturdy. And the color looks easy to blend. I'm just trying to do something pretty neutral. I'm not looking for anything crazy. I just want to kind of like try out the colors and stuff. These are blushes, so I mean, I can't really, you know, I can use them, of course, as eyeshadow, but can't really judge too much. So that's what I got for the eyes right now. I'm going to move on to mascara. I did get some mascara. I got the PUR and Barbie Magical Eyes Signature Mascara and Primer Collection. Look how pretty this is. This is like perfect for a gift, a stocking stuffer. I love it. And this one retails for... This retails for what? Where are you? This one retails for $20. All right, so we are gonna do the mascara primer first, and then we're gonna do the mascara. So this is what the mascara primer looks like. Very pretty packaging. I'm never too big of a fan of these things, but we shall see. Okay, I'm not sure what this is doing. It is coating a little bit of white. Other than that, I have no idea. Okay, so we have the primer on. Now we're gonna go with the mascara. I usually leave these videos for a mascara Monday. I try out mascaras. Here's the mascara tube for this one. Very sturdy, it's pretty heavy. Nice packaging as well. And let's see what this one looks like. All right, so this is what this one looks like. It looks very promising. I'm hoping that it will be. This mascara, it feels moussey, but when you put it on your lashes, it feels more on the drier side. I don't know if that's an effect of the primer. But I do like it. Like, look at my lashes. It looks pretty good. I do notice that this mascara clumps very easily, so you have to kind of work very quickly with it. It feels moussey when you pull it out of the tube, but then when you apply it, it just feels a lot drier. So you kind of have to work quick with it, but the effects of it are really nice. I do definitely like it. So far, so good. I'd like to try it without the primer and see if that changes anything. So moving on, I'm gonna do some foundation now. So I'm gonna be trying the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. That was a mouthful. I got it in the color light. I've never tried this before, so I decided that this would be the perfect time to try it. Since I'm trying new makeup, and hopefully the shade matches me. I don't really know what the price for this was. If I find it, I'll just link it down below. I think I'm gonna use a sponge for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the foundation, and I will let you guys know how I like it. Okay, so right off the bat, it feels like it's too light for me. Lord Jesus. I kind of knew as soon as I saw the bottle, but it's all right. Oh, wow. This foundation is hard to blend once you gotta kind of work quick with it. It's too light on me because then I have to like fix it up somehow. I don't know if I like this, to be honest with you, and not because of the shade. I feel like it's hard to work with, if you get what I mean, if you get my drift. You feel me? Like, I don't know. It seems nice, but I feel like it's so hard to work with it. Like, once it's on your skin, like, it's hard to blend it. And I don't think it's my sponge, because I've used this sponge several times before. And I've never really had any type of problem with it. So I don't feel like it's the sponge. But whatever. So I don't have any bronzer here, but I'm gonna try and go in with my Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. And I'm gonna go in with Café con Leche. Okay, so back to the blush palette again, the Malibu blush palette. I am gonna go in with this color all the way at the end, which is this like really pinkish type color, just with a blush brush. So we're gonna go in with this brush, which is a cheek brush. So we're gonna go into our, and they're so pretty, like I just love it. Okay, so we're gonna go into that color. Okay, tap off the excess, of course. And we're just gonna kind of like pat that blush in there. That looks pretty. I like it. And these do have names. This one is called Boss, which I love that name. And then, but you see, this is what I don't know. When I'm looking at the palette like this, and I look at the names like this, I always wonder, is this color over here matches with this name, or is it that I'm looking at the names just like I'm looking at the palette? You get what I'm saying? So I don't know if those names are like that. This has happened to me several times. I never know. Oh, I went a little too heavy there. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah. I went crazy there. All right. So that's it for our blush. I did pick up the highlight. I'm telling you guys, this packaging is just so pretty. Like, look at this. I just love it. And wait till you guys see this, because this is absolutely beautiful. So this is the highlighter palette. And then when you open it up, look how pretty this is. It has a mirror, and then it has, look how pretty. Like, I just can't get over it. So beautiful. And then I am going to be using, I'm going to use the powder brush that comes in the brush thing. Look how pretty, the brush collection. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So I'm kind of dabbing into the two colors. All right, and let's see. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Because it's, oh my God, it's so pretty. Whoa, I love that. Oh my gosh. You don't even have to like dab it too much. It's gorgeous. Do you guys see that? I feel like my cameras never pick up how good highlights look. This is just like absolutely insane. And then we're gonna go into, I love the highlighter. Like, this is literally like so beautiful. I didn't tell you the prices, did I? So the highlighter is $26. And now I'm gonna go into the lip products. I got these two. I got one of their lipsticks, which is 18. They had 3 colors. And then I got one of their lip glosses, which is 18. And they have 2 colors here. I don't remember if this is, okay, so I got this one in Boss Gloss. I like that. Look how pretty. Oh my God. And how beautiful the packaging is. And then I got this one in CEO, which I also love that name. Look how beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you serious? So pretty. Then these are the ones that you just push and you get your color. And this is like a beautiful reddish color, which I kind of want to put on. And then I also want to do the gloss. Like, why? Why is this happening to me? Okay. So let's just go in with CEO and let's see. This is like a pinky red color. I really like it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the gloss on my bottom lip. That's going to look crazy. But just to kind of like show you guys. Oh my God. And look how you open this up. So you press a little button here. And there it goes. Oh my gosh. Let's see this gloss. Oh, that's pretty. That's a pretty glittery, you see it? That's a pretty glittery gloss. I love it. I love like the colors of it, and it feels smooth and nice. I love it. All right, guys, of course I'm not gonna stay like this. Can you imagine? Oh. I'm not gonna stay like this, but I did want to try it. Oh my God, I love the gloss. It's so beautiful. How would it look on top of this lip color? Let's try it. I really don't think it looks bad. I don't know, guys. You guys tell me. So I'm gonna apply now. I'm gonna take the lip gloss off the bottom and I'm gonna apply. All right, guys. So this is the color of CEO with a little bit of Boss Gloss on it. I definitely love all the products. My all-time favorite is the highlight. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Like, I don't know if you guys see what I'm seeing. Like, I really don't, because it's gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but when I look in the mirror, it's so beautiful. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys had fun trying out these new products with me. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's something here that you liked or whatever you thought. All right, my loves, so I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.